welcome to my home.
I hope you're all staying safe and well. We're here today to bring you a little bit of joy.
Today I'm going to be making a very simple recipe you can make at home during this isolation period.
And what are we gonna do?
Cook. I'm kind of been using whatever I have in my store cupboards at the moment.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. We're gonna go and eat this now. Tonight we're going to be cooking what James and I are having for dinner tonight, which is paprika grilled chicken with a roast vegetable quinoa salad and a nice creamy herb dressing. In my world, no meal is complete without a sauce. So we're going to start with making a mayo. Mayo is fantastic because it's such a versatile thing and we can use it to create so many delicious things. So I'm going to start with the mayo. It's very simple. All we're wanting to do is make an emulsion. If you don't have a Ken whip at home or a hand blender or a KitchenAid, you can use pretty much any form of kitchen appliance to make a mayo. And if you don't have any of those, a good old whisk will just do the trick as well. It'll just take a bit longer. So I've got 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk, some mustard. I normally make hot English, but the shops didn't have any hot English today, so we're substituting with Dijon. Use what you've got. Just a good splash of vinegar. I like some red wine vinegar. If you don't have red wine vinegar at home and you've got some lemon, that will do the trick just as well. So we're just going to get this going and slowly emulsify with some oil. Going to add a little bit of salt to this, and then our mayo is complete. It's nice and thick, and divide this mayo in half. And tomorrow night we'll make a delicious tartar sauce or something to go with some nice abalone fish, because I believe the fishermen have been out today and hoping to get our first home delivery. So I've got some mayo here that I'm going to set aside, and the mayo remaining, I'm going to just zhuzh it up with some parsley that we've got from Checkers. It's looking a little bit tired. I've put in some, soaked in some water just to kind of bring it a bit more to life. But you know what? Whatever herbs you can get hold of, stick it in. I've got some basil off the garden, and I'm going to add a few pepper dews because I just like them. But add what you like. If you've got some gherkins at home, if you you want to add some capers, go for it. Just whatever's tasty to you to make a nice, delicious mayo. I'm just adding a couple of drops of water just to thin it down, and our mayo is complete. So it's nice, runny, creamy dressing. A little bit of spice from the pepper juice. I'm just going to chop up our veggies quickly, just nice and coarsely, that we can add to our grill pan. Use whatever you've got in the fridge. I thought I had a bigger selection. Appears I don't. So we've got some courgettes, some patty pans, and some baby gems, which we're going to add to our quinoa. That's enough. And just to quickly season the chicken breast, just literally a bit of salt and some pepper. And we're going to toss with a nice, decent amount of paprika. I love paprika. It's one of my favorite spices, and it works really nicely with the chicken. Nothing too strong, and just a nice little delicate flavor that it adds. Okay, let's go pop this in the grill. So I've put all my veggies in the charcoal pan. I'm just going to let them heat through. You just want to get some color on either side. And in the pan here, I've just got my chicken breasts that are searing off. As soon as the vegetables are cooked, take them out, stick in the bowl. I've got some here already. I'm going to toss with some olive oil and salt and pepper, and put a bit of cling wrap over them and allow them to steam while the chicken continues to cook. Okay, so we're just going to get these veggies out. They're looking nice and colourful, nice charred lines, and there we go. And a good sprinkling of salt and olive oil. cling wrap them. So I've just finished cooking the little chicken breasts. I'm going to put them on the chopping board and just give them a minute or so to rest while we just finish up our supper. So the veggies have been steaming nicely. I'm going to take some of the quinoa. You can substitute it with couscous if you didn't have quinoa, or whatever pulse you like. Chickpeas would be delicious as well. It's quite versatile what you feel like in it. So I'm just going to toss the veggies through the quinoa nice and lightly, and we're going to start to assemble our supper. A little bit of salt and pepper. And just a dash of balsamic vinegar. There we go. Nice roasted vegetables. It's not a hot supper, it's a warm supper. So the veggies have just been macerating nicely there. I'm just going to make a little salad to go on top of it, like a salsa, a bit of thinly sliced red onion, which we're going to toss with the remaining herbs we had, where there was a bit of mint from the garden and some basil. That's if you've got, it's not necessary. You don't have to put those herbs in. I love herbs, I love to cook with it. Nice bit of freshness is always good. But we're just gonna toss those all together there with a nice bit of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Thinly slice our a bit more vinegar, chicken breast, and supper will be ready. Just going to put the chicken breast around. Nice little bit of our salsa on top. Nice fresh herbiness, and finish it with a little bit of our dressing that we made. A nice good drizzle of our herby mayo, and there we go. There's Jen's now supper.